If your life feels stuck, it is not your job, your background or your past. It is your mindset. Let me show you how to change it. Your mindset is the battlefield where your life is won or lost. It is not just how you think. It is what you believe deep down about yourself, your future, and even about God. The Bible says, as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Proverbs 23 verse 7. So if you want to change your life, you must first let God help you change your mind. When your thoughts align with truth, with purpose, and with faith, nothing can stop your growth. You are not stuck. You are just one mindset shift away from breakthrough. So today, I want to share with you 7 powerful keys that will help you renew your mind and walk in the life God has designed for you. Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Joshua and welcome to my YouTube channel, J Toga. If you have not subscribed, please do well to support me by subscribing. 1. Be aware of your thoughts. Your mind is where change starts. Catch those negative thoughts early. 2. Challenge what is not true. Don't believe everything you think. Replace lies with truth. 3. Surround yourself with the right people. Hang around with those who speak life and believe in growth. 4. Feed your mind daily. Read, learn and listen to what builds you up. 5. Speak life. Every morning declare, I am growing, I am strong, I have a purpose. 6. Take small actions. Don't just think different, act different. 7. Trust God to renew your mind. Romans 12:2 says, be transformed by renewing your mind. Change is possible. It starts in your mind. Remember, your mindset shapes your future. Stay strong and stay wise.